So for a brief moment right now, since I've been having a bad season, I'm looking at the sunset outside and I'm loving it. Like it's a bit windy right now. You can go out, but look at the sunset, man. Everything's so orange and it started to rain. This is our backyard. Look, it's nice here. Look at that. You can see some blues up there. And yeah, pretty nice. Okay, so I think my ISO is too high. Just put it down here. Oh, that's much better. So yeah, look at the skies up there. So today is still no vlog because don't have any. Today's windy. It's 20 degrees. It's nice. I should clean this back part here because this is a nice place to hang out. Yeah, definitely a nice place to hang out, but I haven't been doing it. I need furnitures there. Anyway, I need to go back inside. Okay. Hey guys, so today's today, and as you can see, I haven't been taking care of myself. Woke up late. My hair's like, look at that. Haven't been to the barber for a while because we're on lockdown. Yes, so today's, let me see, 17th of September. Time goes so fast, and yeah, I'm really scared and shit. And still stuck in a rut. Still hating things. But yeah, hopefully things will be better anytime soon. I don't know. Yeah, I just want to. Okay, I wasn't sure if the microphone was working. I'm just using this thing as my microphone and hoping that everything's fine. But yeah, so okay, so yep, I just wish I'll be okay, and I wish everyone is okay. And yeah, I hope I can be better. I'd feel better. I'd be more moving around. I'm just stuck in a, I don't know, I'm limbo here, and it's crazy. And this video should be under deep dives, but yeah. So I don't know. I'm just gonna. I don't know how. It's taking too long for me to cope, and I mean to be up, and yeah, I'm trying to cope, but it's been very hard. It's been very hard. This camera's not even straight. Look at that. Okay. So yep, I'm hoping that I can bounce back and do a lot of things. Like I have a few months. I need to do my tax also. Shit, it's a lot of things to do. I need to do a lot of assessments and a lot of things and a lot of things. I have to do a lot of things, and I'm just sucking here and just feeling bad about myself. But anyway, let's just put a throwback video now because why not? Check out the video. I don't know what it is. I haven't edited it yet.